Hello again, this is Captain John with another one of my video tips of the week. In today's video tip, we're going to take a look at both paper and electronic navigational chart symbols to see how light sectors are shown. Red sectors are used to show dangerous shoals on your chart, and obscured sectors show a part of the light which will not be visible to the navigator in that area. Let's first take a look at one significant difference between paper and electronic navigational charts. Here in chart number 1, section P, you can see the default color of the paper light symbol is a magenta colored flare. On the ECDIS column, which is electronic navigational chart symbols, the default color is only shown as magenta if no other color is designated. If the color of the main light is red, then the flare color will be red. If it's green, the flare color will be green, and if white, yellow, amber, or orange, it will be a yellow color. Our next illustration shows how sectors are shown from the light. On paper charts, the dashed lines show the arc of the sector along with the words red in all capitals for dangerous sectors, or the abbreviation OBSC in all capitals for obscured sectors. On electronic navigational charts, if you move your cursor close to the light changes to a full circle. And if it has a sector, the sector will be shown with an arc designated by dashed lines. In the case of a red sector, you will see a small red arc between the two dashed lines, and if obscured, you will see a break in the circle as shown. Here we are in New England sailing off in Nobsca Point. And note that Nobsca Point light is a flashing white 6-second light with a red sector. You can see the two dashed lines coming from the flared symbol with the words red sector written between. If you are sailing in this area and Nobsca Point light changes to a red color, you should turn right away and sail for safe water until once again the light changes back to a flashing white 6-second light. On this electronic navigational chart, Nobsca Point has two sectors. You can see the red sector with the red arc in between the two lines and an obscured sector behind. Note the break in the yellow light circle. If we look at the chart to the east of Nobsca Point, you can see how the red sector covers the dangerous shoals. And once again, if you find yourself sailing in this area and Nobsca Point light changes to red, you should turn right away and sail for safe water until once again the light changes back to its flashing white 6-second characteristic. Now you know how light sectors play an important role for the sailing navigator when using paper or electronic navigational charts. Follow these easy sailing navigation tips for safer sailing on the waters of the world. This is Captain John, and this has been another one of my video tips of the week. Find more sailing tips and techniques on www.skippertips.com.